Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to create a breakout rooms in Google Meet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to open our Google Meet website and of course click this new meeting button and click the start an instant meeting. Okay, so here guys, in our meeting guys, you can see here this one guys, this lock icon. So you can click this one guys. Okay, host controls. So you can actually click this enable that guys, and this one guys, the meeting tools. Actually, um these breakout rooms guys, features guys, this is not for me guys because I didn't purchase this their premium plan guys. And also the other way to do that guys, like as you can see here guys, there's a breakout rooms tool here, but I can use it because I don't have the premium plan. You can actually do the others some way guys by doing this guys. So you can go to your Google Calendar. Okay, let's say meeting. Just have to save that one guys. And you wanna edit it guys. So what you're gonna do guys is you just have to click this video call options guys. So click that one, and on this left side guys you will see here the other options, which is the breakout rooms. So it will show up guys if you are subscribing or you purchase their premium plan. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Meet. Thank you.